In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a rules channel in Discord. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using Discord on, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that, or a PC or desktop as well. So all you want to do is open up Discord, and then if you want to make a rules channel, you have to be admin or an owner of a server. So I'm an owner of this server, so all I want to do is go to the top left, and then go ahead and click on server settings. Now over here, you should see something like, turn it into like a community or something. It has to be a community. If it's not going to work. So then once it is a community, you're going to see a lot of different things, but you're going to see access as one of the options. And then you're also going to see server rules. So all you want to do is go ahead and check this. Now I can add any of these example rules like be civil and respectful or anything like that. So I can add these rules right now just by clicking on them. And I can also add a rule like this. And, I can just type in anything I want. So I can type in something like and subscribe, hint, hint. And then all you got to do is press save changes right here. And then once you do it, that's it. Those are going to be the rules. And there's going to be a separate channel. And it's going to say members must agree to the rules before they can chat or interact with the server. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.